This is your astromancer Bharat Mehra again. Mercy, peace, and love. May the grace and Lord surround us and be with us. I am overwhelmed by the response, rather by the love and by the faith that all of y'all have put in me. We know that we will win, and we will. I know all of y'all like my predictions, so I'm going to make a few here for all of you. As said earlier, by May 1st, I stand by that. And one more thing, that India will, I'm not talking about China right now because I'm too confused about China. I really don't know what's happening with them. But otherwise, India will be the first country to be free from this pandemic. Our lockdown, our climate, and we Indians definitely have a higher immunity level, and the blessings of the Lord will see us through. We will be the largest exporters and the highest business of medicines in the world, and all the manufacturing facilities, everything compared to what has ever happened was happening in China earlier, from all the companies all over the world. And India will be a hub. Like, why am I saying this? Is because people are telling me economy khatam ho gaya hai, economy is going here and there. So it's for all those people. It's not going anywhere. The biggest and the best brands will be here. They know we Indians are honest, we are hardworking, we are reliable. Jokes apart, China is not. Our unemployment levels will go down. Our food will be appreciated all over the world, especially vegetarian. People, we always have heard this. US visa is, oh my God. UK visa, Canada visa is this. There will be a queue outside the Indian consulates all over the world for Indian visa. This will happen, and we will see it. I'm talking about 2020, mind you. I'm not talking about 10 years later. Our medicines, the availability of our medicines, the price efficiency. Not only this, Ayurveda, naturopathy, yoga, pranayam, everything will be the best. The best Indian brains gone away to different segments, different countries, will be back home because of this kind of business economy rise that we will have. The minorities will be realized that they have always lived in the best country in the world. Kashmir will be heaven again. People will stop talking about Switzerland and Capri. हम तो Switzerland नहीं, पहलगाम जाएंगे. This is what we will hear. 2020, after September, will be a turning point in the history of the world. And from here, it will be India all the way. Mera Bharat Mahan. So guys, we are moving towards the 1st of May, 5th of May, and yes, our victory is in May. May the Lord be with us, all the demigods, all the planets. I bow down to them, ask for forgiveness for whatever past karmas that we have had. And I know that it's happening, and it will. And we will all come out winners. Friends, let me also tell you all one thing. Today I want to define who is a hero. Obviously, all of y'all are my heroes, but yes, as of now, as of today, a hero is someone who gives of himself, often putting his own life at very, very great risk for the greater good of others. That's you and me and all of us. And our heroes today are doctors, nurses, health officials, police, military. I want to thank them, and from all of y'all, my full family, huge family of millions of people, would like to thank them all for every single minute that they have put into this battling on the front lines of this pandemic. And that sacrifice, we cannot say any thank you or show any gratefulness. We can only say that they are our heroes, and how much ever we appreciate them is going to be less. But let's give them an extra dose by giving them all our positive energies as they battle this new enemy for us today. Thank you all, guys. It's all your support, love, and your energies that have helped me to have this confidence today on the 11th of April, where I know I have just 20, 25, 30 days left for my prediction. I know it's against the whole world. All predictions are starting from June and August and September. I know that. But I know that all of you are with me. All your energies are with me. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for being there with me. I trust energies because I know energies don't lie. Thank you. I love you all.